Welcome to fun ESL games. Are your teens refusing to speak in class? Do you get awkward silence when you ask them to tell a story? Well, today I'm sharing a zero prep ESL game that gets students talking, laughing, and thinking creatively, instantly. It's called Emoji Story Builder, and your students are going to love it. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I share fun and practical ESL games that make your classes more engaging and stress-free. Today's activity is perfect for teens and works great for a 2-to-B2 learners. Emoji Story Builder is a speaking game where students create a story using a random set of emojis. For example, if students see these emojis, a dog, rain, a backpack, a broken heart, and a rocket, they must create a story that includes all of them. No skipping, no excuses, all emojis must be used. Here's how to play. Step 1, show 5 to 8 random emojis. Step 2, give students 2 to 3 minutes to prepare. Step 3, students tell their story using all the emojis. Step 4, the class votes for the funniest, most creative, or most dramatic story. You can play individually, in pairs, small groups, or even as a whole class chain story. Want to make it more challenging? Add extra rules, use past tense only, include at least one piece of dialogue, use 3 transition words, or give them just 60 seconds to speak. Now it becomes fast, competitive, and even more fun. Your students see these 5 emojis: dog, rain, backpack, broken heart, and a rocket, and then boom, creativity explodes. One student might say, "Yesterday, I was walking my dog in the rain when I found a mysterious backpack. I opened it, and inside was a broken heart necklace and a strange red button. So of course, I pressed it, and suddenly a rocket landed in front of me. The door opened, and a sad astronaut said, 'I lost my love on Earth. Can you help me?' Now tell me that's not better than reading from a textbook." This game works because emojis reduce pressure. There's no single correct answer. Students feel creative instead of judged. It encourages spontaneous speaking, and even shy students participate. Plus, it requires almost zero preparation from you. You can adapt this game for grammar practice, vocabulary themes like travel or mystery, exam storytelling practice, or even online classes by screen sharing emojis. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more fun ESL games every week. And tell me in the comments, what emojis would you use in your classroom?